How to use Threads from Instagram. On July 6, 2023, the Threads social media app became available to users. In just 4 days, by July 10, 2023, an astounding number of more than 100 million people signed up for Threads. This rapid growth is impressive, and what makes Threads special is not only its user-friendly design, but also its incredibly convenient login process. With Threads, you can say goodbye to lengthy registration procedures and the trouble of remembering multiple passwords. They've made it super easy to join their fast-growing community by simply using your existing Instagram credentials to log in. So, if you already have an Instagram account, you can effortlessly become a part of Threads without any hassle. Since Instagram powers Threads, your existing Instagram account information is already available, which is a major advantage of using Threads. In addition to sharing photos and videos on Instagram, Threads offers more features. Think of Threads as a direct competitor to Twitter, where you can follow other users and engage in public conversations. You can also post your own content on your social feed. The feed will show you updates from the people you follow, as well as recommend content from other creators. When creating a post on Threads, you have up to 500 characters to express yourself. You can include links, photos, and even videos up to 5 minutes long. This flexibility allows you to share a wide range of content and ideas. Most importantly, Threads has made the process of getting started incredibly easy. So you can quickly jump in and start using the app without any complications. So let's get started. Step 1. To access Threads, all I need is my Instagram account and the Instagram app installed on my iPhone or Android device. There are 2 simple ways I can get started. First, I can go to my profile page on the Instagram app, where I'll find a direct link to Threads. Alternatively, I can visit the App Store on my device, search for Threads, and download it. Luckily for me, it's available for both iPhone and Android users. Once I have Threads installed, I just open the app and it automatically logs me into the Instagram account that I'm currently using on the Instagram app. It's super easy. The homepage of Threads will then appear, and I can seamlessly continue using Threads with the same Instagram account. No fuss or extra steps are required. It's a smooth experience. Step 2. If you have more than one Instagram account, don't worry. You can still use Threads. Just make sure you're signed into the Instagram app on your device. When you open Threads, it will use the data from your current logged-in Instagram account to set up Threads. If you want to switch to a different Instagram account, don't fret. Threads gives you the option to do that. You'll find a feature that allows you to easily switch between your different Instagram accounts, so you can use the one you prefer within the Threads app. So, whether you have one or multiple Instagram accounts, Threads makes it simple to connect and use the one you want for a seamless experience. Step 3. To customize my Threads bio, I need to make sure my name appears exactly as I want it to. If I have a website link, I can add it too. When setting up my profile, Threads will ask me if I want to bring my username over from Instagram. I have the option to import it directly from Instagram or skip this step and set it up later. Since I want to import my information right away, I choose to import directly from Instagram. This means that my name, bio, and website link will all be automatically transferred. Once everything is imported, I can press Next to move forward. Next, I have the choice to make my account public, allowing anyone to follow me, or I can choose to have a private account where I need to approve followers before they can follow me. In my case, I decided to go with the public account. That's it! I've successfully customized my Threads bio, imported my information from Instagram, and set up my account as public. Now, I'm ready to start using Threads and connecting with others on the platform. Step 4. When I log into Threads, I instantly see all my Instagram followers since they're connected to the Threads login. Now I have a choice to make. Do I want to follow the same accounts that I follow on Instagram? Well, the good news is that Threads makes it easy. I can follow all my Instagram followers by simply clicking Follow All. But wait, there's more. If I prefer, I can also select which Instagram followers' accounts to follow individually by clicking Follow next to each name. After deciding who to follow, the app explains how everything works. So, I'm all set to join Threads. I'll allow notifications as requested, and with a few clicks of Done, I'm ready to move forward. Exciting! Now, I just click Next to continue and explore the amazing world of Threads. It's that simple. So, here I am on the home page of Threads. To see new posts, I can simply scroll down and refresh the page. On this home page, I'll find a mix of different posts. Some of them are from people I already follow, while others are suggested posts. If I want to connect with more people, I can search for them. It's pretty simple. Just type their username in the search bar and I can easily find and follow them. When I'm interested in following someone, all I have to do is click the follow button. It's that easy. And when I want to share something with the Threads community, I can compose my own thread. I get up to 500 characters to write whatever I want to express. So it's a fantastic way to engage with others and join in on conversations. Step 5. When I use the Threads login to create my new Threads account, I agree to both the Threads terms and conditions and also to Meta's terms and conditions, as Meta controls Instagram and Instagram controls Threads. Once I'm ready to proceed, I click on Join Threads, and that's it. I have successfully completed the Threads login process. Now let me walk you through how I can compose my own post on Threads. It's pretty straightforward. First, I'll type my message right here in the text box. It can be anything I want to share with the Threads community. Once I'm done, all I have to do is press the Post button to share it with others. Oh, and don't forget, I can also add photos to my post. If I want to include images, I'll just click on this option here and it will show me my photos. I'll choose the ones I want to use and grant access. Then I can add them to my post with a quick press of the Post button. Once I post it, anyone can reply, like, or comment on my post. They can even reshare it to their own Threads profile. Sharing is easy thanks to the share icon. By the way, I'm not limited to just photos. I can share videos too. If I have a video I'd like to share, I'll simply select it and press Post to upload it. After posting, I can check out my profile page, where I'll see my very first post along with others that I create in the future. I can keep track of how many likes and comments I receive, which is pretty cool. Also, if I want to involve someone in my conversation, I can easily tag them in my post. It's a fantastic way to engage and connect with other users on Threads. So, Threads is not just a text-based messaging app. It's an all-in-one platform where I can express myself with text, photos, and videos. Everything I share will be displayed on my profile page for others to see and interact with. The possibilities are endless. This seems fun, right? But the debate continues. Elon Musk claims that Mark Zuckerberg stole Twitter's secrets, which might explain why Threads' social media seems so similar to Twitter in some aspects. On the other hand, Zuckerberg defends himself by saying that none of the Threads team members have ever worked at Twitter, so they couldn't have known any insider secrets. If Musk's lawsuit succeeds, it's uncertain whether a judge will take any actions against Threads logins. We'll have to wait and see how it unfolds. As I navigate through the ever-changing landscape of social media, I'm quite impressed with Threads' social media. It stands out as a platform that truly cares about its users, which is often criticized as a weakness in Twitter. I appreciate how Elon Musk puts a strong emphasis on free speech, and Threads seems to align with that value. Threads' commitment to improving the user experience and prioritizing user satisfaction is commendable. With this dedication, I believe Threads has the potential to shape the future of online communication and community building positively. Threads is an exciting social media platform that I'm eager to explore further, especially with its focus on user-centered features and the potential to foster open and engaging conversations. Please share this video with your friends and family so social media users interested in Threads discover this guide to using the Threads login. I look forward to your views in the comments section. Have you used the Threads login and made an account? What are your experiences on Threads so far?